we call functions inside main. We call functions by name. We have two types of functions: built-in and user-defined functions. As built-in, we have like printf, scanf, getchar, etc. Function structure will be: first part, the type of data it will have, the name of the function that should be descriptor for the action it takes. Function parameters mean cases when we have initialize and they are ready to use. Data type, function name, and list of input parameters. We have type functions, return functions that return a value, a date, void functions returns no value, no date. How can we write a function? One integer or a type, function name, integer A, integer B, and return integer or type. Second, void, function name, integer A, integer B, and printf. As we said, no return. Third, integer, function name, no parameters, return integer. Then the last one, void, function name, no parameters, and printf, void. Example, construct the function in C language which takes as a parameter two numbers A and B and returns their sum. First, input parameters will be A and B. Return value will be some type of function, dynamic value. We'll start. Include standard input output will have declaration of function integer sum, function integer A, integer B, that is the list of parameters, and we'll say here return A plus B. That's all our function. Now we have to write main integer. Main will declare variables integer number 1, number 2, and sum. We'll say to the user printf, enter the first and the second number, scanf. As we have integer, we'll have %d for first, %d for second, and number 1, number 2. Now, we need a variable that is sum, and we'll say sum equal sum function for number 1 and number 2. That is the function called. That this function will return the sum of two numbers, number 1 and number 2. And we'll say printf sum equal %d and sum at the least return 0. If we call function for two numbers 3 and 4, the executor will be here. As it reads the function call, it will go directly on the function here, and A will be 3 and B will be 4 here. That function will return A plus B, that is, return 3 plus 4 equals 7. That 7 will go on some variable here, and that some variable will be printed to the user. That's how the function works. Write the code yourself.